Welcome back to our new tutorial on paragraph tag in HTML5. In this tutorial we are going to work on paragraph tag in HTML5. Before that we go to the practical example. Let's explain what paragraph tag is in HTML5. The p tag defines a paragraph, or this p tag itself represent a paragraph in HTML5. The p tag offers a way to structure your text into different paragraphs. Each paragraph of text should go in between an opening, which is this opening tag, and a closing p tag. So this means that whatever we are writing to be created as a paragraph, it should actually go inside these two tags. Browser automatically add a single blank line before and after each p element. Means whenever we are creating a paragraph, or whenever we are creating or adding anything between these two tags, this means that the browser automatically add a blank space before and after. So there would be a line break before this paragraph, and there will be a line break after this tag. So whatever comes, it comes after the or whatever other contents we have in the web page, it will come after the a line break. So here we have an example. As you can see, we have body tag open and body tag close. We have HTML as well, but I don't know, somehow the HTML tag starting tag is missing here. So anyhow, so as you can see, we have a p tag open here and it is closed at the end of the line. So we have hello world, this is my first line, here is the second line. So then we have a heading 2, this is my heading 2. So what we expect is that there should be a as we said it here, there should be a blank line before hello world, and there should be a blank line after the after this text end. So there should be a blank line between h2 and this paragraph. So let's do the practical of this code that you can see here, and in the note it says this will put hello world, this will put this is some text, here is the second line, into a paragraph, and automatically put spacing as we've covered, we just covered it here, between it and heading on the next line. So it is actually saying the same thing that we talked about before, as it's saying that a paragraph element will automatically add a space before the paragraph and after the paragraph. So let's work on this example practically, and then I will show you in the browser how it really works. So here we practically create our first HTML document, and then we'll save the HTML document, and then we will see the result on our browser. So let's start by creating doctype file, doctype declaration, doctype HTML, body. So here we put our p element, hello world, this is first line. Okay, and then here is a second line. Okay, we close the p tag, and then for instance we are creating h2 heading, and inside the heading we say this is my heading, this is my heading. We close the h2 tag. Similarly, we say this is third line. Okay, a BR tag for line break, line 2 of the heading, line 2 of heading 2, heading 2. Okay, and another break line, some other info, some other information. Okay, another break line, and then we create another heading 2. Anyway, this is my second heading. This is my second heading. We close the heading tag 2. Okay, this text is for my second heading. This text is for my second heading. Okay, body is closed and HTML tag is also closed. So we save this file with the name of paragraph.html. Okay, now let's see if there is a blank space added before the hello world, the text which is within the p or paragraph tag. If the space is added before and after this line. We're just checking this in the browser. So there you go. Hello world. This hello world, this line here is the second line. So as you can see, there is space added before and after the paragraph line or this paragraph. So let's move on to the next slide. The next slide is div tags in HTML tag. The div tags in HTML5. The div tag defines a division or a section in a HTML document. The div tag is used as container for HTML elements, which is then styled with CSS or manipulated with JavaScript. The div tag is easily styled by using the class or ID attribute. Any sort of contents can be put inside the div tag. And in the note it says, by default, browser always place a link break before and after the div, similar to the p tag as we discussed before. For a simple example, we will take some of the text and define a section out of using the div tag in color the font blue. So in this slide, in the code, as you can see, we have a similar code as we did it for paragraph, and now with slight changes in the div section, we will add a div section with color of RGB, and we close div here. Okay, and let's practically work this. As you can see, we've added a div here after the paragraph. So bear in mind, as we mentioned in the explanation, that a div is nothing but it is a division for creating sections in HTML document, or it is a tag used as container for HTML elements, which we can use it for styling using CSS, and also manipulation with JavaScript. So the file, I'll show you the HTML file again. As you can see, we have style, inline style, and here whatever text that you can see after this division or after this div element, which is h2 heading 2, and similarly this text that you can see, we've instructed that this should all change to RGB, which is 255. There is an extra 0 added. We should remove this, and what it does is it actually will change the font color to blue. So let's save this and check it in the browser, and there you go. As you can see that the style that we given to our div, which is RGB 255 means blue, this text is changed to blue. So this was all about the paragraph tags and the div tags. I hope it helped. If you liked the video, please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.